Zeril serves as a Master of the Forge of the Death Watch within the Jericho Reach. An Iron Father of the Iron Hands chapter who has served the Long Vigil for over 80 years of service. His investigation of deserted outposts, known as the Dead Stations, led to the unraveling of the mysterious prophecy known as the Dark Pattern. Inducted into the ranks of the Dark Cabal by Inquisitor Verlaine Remeus after procuring several Eldar Spirit Stones, alongside Night Warden Ulrich, Watch Captain Matthias, and Prognosticator Renin Triel, Zeril, now stationed permanently aboard the Dead Station, Vigil, has dedicated his life to studying as many procured Xenos artifacts as feasible. Obsessed with Necron technologies above all, Zeril is quick to accompany any kill teams deployed to missions with a chance of securing such relics. This radical Iron Father seeking to understand the reasons for the Eternal Empire's own failures in order to prevent similar disaster befalling his Iron Hands kinsman. Investigating tombs upon worlds which are part of the Dark Pattern, his continual combat made against the Necrons has proven a bountiful opportunity to hone his combat made against such a foe, learning new methods of combating their ancient sciences and tactics. Forever changed upon deployment to the dead world of Nunk, pursuing a band of Eldar Corsairs, during a firefight within a nameless valley of stone, Zeril's hefty armor caused him to fall into an underground cavern, separating him from his battle brothers. Finding upon a sealed door within a cavern of metallic archways leading deeper into the depths of the planet, Zeril studied the glyphs etched into the doorway surface, discovering a perfectly cubical silver box before the battle above caused a collapse of the cave. Breaching a side tunnel to escape being buried alive, Zeril returned to the surface with his prize, ending the lives of the Corsairs, now having flanked their position. Concealing his discovery from his kinsmen, as his kill team returned to Watch Fortress Eriok. After a week of studying the relic, the Iron Father unlocked its contents, sending heavily encrypted messages to his chapter of origin, containing the findings of his research. Having discovered the basis for Necron physiology within the contents of the relic, to Zeril's mind, no chapter is better equipped to make use of such findings as the Iron Hands, their endeavor to transcend the weakness of flesh, now galvanized. The Iron Tenth entreating the Death Watch to never return him to their fold after receiving and deciphering his messages. Such an action is not to be misinterpreted as exile, for the Sons of the Gorgon know that his continual efforts within the Death Watch allow opportunities for further, invaluable insight. Details pertaining to what exactly the Iron Father has discovered, unknown beyond the highest echelons of Medusa. Perhaps his efforts as a member of the Dead Cabal shall continue to make strides in the understanding of the Necron species.